Hi, hello, welcome to Symbiosis Alchemy Home Gardening Tips and Tricks. I'm going to share quick tips for home gardening, especially for beginners to grow their own food at home. And today the video will be focusing on how to amend your soil. One of the challenges growing in urban gardening, and so when you're growing in a pot, so you need to change, you have limited of soil access. So you need to change your soil after you harvest your yield. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easy way how to do it. Check it out. Today, what I'm going to show you is how to amend the old soil in your pot to grow new planting. So it is important because when you want to grow new food, you need to amend your soil so that it has better nutrition inside. And the old soil, what usually I do is I put inside the bags and let it rest for a while for the next planting. So what I'm going to do is I take the ones this one, for example, the old ones that I have let it rest for a few weeks, and mix it up. And you can buy at the nursery. This is very beginner's way to grow your own food, easy way to grow your own food. What you can get in the nursery is this kind of soil, so organic soil. So it has 6 contents inside. For this one, it has micro coco peat, red burnt soil, fine sand, old humus, and charcoal. So all these contents will increase the microbes inside the soil to help your food grow. Soil and add few of the organic soil in here. And then you can put the soil that you mixed back inside the pot that you want to grow your food. Very easy way to have a new healthy amend soil for your plants to grow. Soil amendment is added to improve the physical properties such as water retention, permeability, infiltration, drainage, aeration, and soil structure. This is to provide a better environment for the roots to grow. Choosing organic amendments like charcoal, coco peat, the ones that I've talked about just now, it increases the soil organic matter content, which also important because it will hold the nutrient capacity in the soil. Compost is also an important content for soil amendment. This organic amendment contains plant nutrients and act as organic fertilizer. Organic matter is an important energy source for bacteria, fungi, and earthworm that live in the soil. This is to increase the yield for the next planting. Coco peat is a wonderful amendment if you want to add up in your soil amendment because it improves the water retention. This is to improve the water holding capacity. It acts as a sponge to hold the water in a root zone so that the plant can use it when they need it. One of the benefits of adding charcoal in your soil amendment is to improve the health of your soil, such as increase of nutrients availability, increase the earthworm population, soil respiration, and water content. These are a few of the benefits to ensure you can obtain yield from your home garden.